Hey guys, Key here from Kegland and showing you a new little part which does make portable keg systems a little bit easier. A lot of you guys have corny kegs which you take into the park or barbecues, and you want a portable little tap setup like this which you can just take along with you. Now previously what a lot of you guys would do was get a ball lock disconnect, then you'd use the MFL tap shank adapter, and then you'd buy the, a tap, for instance the flow control tap's a good one because you've got the flow controller on the side. And because I've got no beer line, it's really important to have some type of flow resistance so you can dispense at the right pressure, but the beer comes out at the right speed. Now this little setup has been simplified even more with this new part where essentially the ball lock disconnect and MFL tap shank adapter have been molded in one. So there's less connections to join together. It's a little bit easier to put together and a little bit less expensive because we've got less parts in the whole setup. Now when assembling the taps onto this new type of ball lock disconnect, I'll just show you one thing which I just wanted to point out, and it's an area where some people get a bit confused. With our NukaTap SS's, we have a rubber washer in here, and the rubber washers does make it easy for us to seal in place, and you just do the collet up, and usually finger tights, honestly, it's enough to get the job done. However, if you're using the NukaTap FC with the flow control, this one uses the shuttle as the seal. So it's got this harder plastic here. So when you put this one together, you will need to use the tool because you have to do it up slightly tighter than the NukaTap SS. So that's just one small thing that a few of our customers have asked about. I know there's been a bit of confusion and some people just don't quite do it up tight enough. You don't have to go ridiculously tight, just hand tight like that and literally get the 7-in-1 tool and just another quarter of a turn like that, and then you're laughing. So that is tight enough to get the job done. The other thing I'll remind you guys is this doesn't have a spring in there. A lot of the people using this for a portable setup, I know using it at a park or something like that, the keg sometimes falls over and gets knocked over and stuff like that. It's a bit annoying. I'd recommend putting the spring inside so when you turn the tap on and let go, it automatically turns back, or if somebody accidentally knocks the tap with a frisbee or something like that, you're not going to end up with the whole keg on the ground. Alrighty, that wraps it up for today, guys. I'm going to try this Nipa with, looks like Laurel and Enigma. So this is a delicious one of our Fresh Work Kits, just launched under the Fresh Cube brand name. Anyway, if you want to hear about any of the other cool stuff that's coming out, definitely subscribe, bottom right hand corner, or join our Homebrew Facebook community group. Alright, see you guys. See you next time. Bye.